5 snaps of Khanyi and Tebogo together again. In January, Khanyi Mbau shocked fans when she announced that her long-time relationship with Tebogo Lerole was over, but fast forward 7 months and it seems that the couple are in a good space. They've kept fans guessing for a while now after posting pictures of each other on social media. And although they've yet to firmly say yes, we're back on, their pictures do speak volumes. Here's just 5 snaps the couple posted in the past few weeks, cementing our hope that love won. Thank you for your listening. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news.